Okay naman yung massage. Actually, the best massage, like massage chair, I have the massage machine. It's in Vietnam. Kasi ano siya, super hard yung ano. Dito it's not hard enough. Oo. And the best thing about that is yung pinakagusto ko sa massage sa Vietnam, because the machine, they also massage your bum. And then super ano talaga siya, as in hard. So this one parang same sa Philippines. Yeah. That's why the first time I did it in Vietnam, I was really surprised. I thought it will be the same like Philippines, because I tried Philippines, it was not really good. So this one same lang siya sa Philippines. So sa Vietnam pa rin yung ano best. Ito siguro yung mga old model. Yeah, I think so. Because I think yung sa Vietnam is the latest model ng massage chair. Here is more on the back, neck, head. Sa Vietnam kasi is they also have that in the hands, and then yung sa bam. So almost all of your ano back body is massage, and sa ano also yung sa leg part. So this one is not really, hindi siya, pero okay pa rin. So 20 baht for 6 minutes. Mr. Jones. Going to Chiang Mai now. Manging weather today here sa Thailand, Bangkok. It's nice weather. At night only, raining at night, but during daytime, yeah, during daytime it's good weather. So you can really, for those who are coming to Thailand and do some day tour, it's really good to do day tour. Look, the weather is really nice. Only at night, raining. We are here now in the train station. Really?
It's like no, not 50 and 10 and 60.
So yeah, so we are now in the train station going to Chiang Mai. So we're gonna take the sleeper train, and we are having our lunch. Lunch. Pad Thai. First Pad Thai. Okay, bon appetit. So good. It's really tasty. This one is pork mince with basil. One of my favorite also.
Yeah, you can probably do that stuff at all.
Yeah, as long as you have basil. And you add the fish sauce. Yum. I wonder what is this. It doesn't smell panda. I thought it's pandan, but doesn't. I think it's just props to look the plate full. Pad Thai, chicken Pad Thai. So this is what we doing now, just to.
So the train station is huge, you know, like from one end to the other end. I think it's probably, I say 400 meters.
Okay.
So we walk from one hand to the other hand, exercise, and it's raining outside.
No,
so,
it's not anymore. Look.
Huh?
Earlier it was raining outside.
I was just outside 2 minutes ago. It was raining.
No, but now it's no more. It's done.
Oh.
So this is what we do now. So waiting. So
Digesting.
We do walking.
Keeping the line.
We do walking. Just to occupy our time.
Digestion. Hi, babe.
Hello.
So we are going back to Pai. Tomorrow morning we'll be in Chiang Mai. Then we're going to take the taxi to Pai and we'll be back in Pai tomorrow at about 10 o'clock. So it's good.
Look, the train station. Excuse me. Actually, the train that we're going to take is the new one. So there is another one, that old one, but it will it will be what's that, go at 4.
We will arrive, it's called arrive in Chiang Mai at 4 a.m. So we were a bit afraid then, you know, there won't be any taxi at 4 a.m. and it's a bit in the middle of the night, so we choose the one at 6:30. So it's more time to wait here before we leave, but it's also a new train, and and we get in Chiang Mai at 7 a.m. so we can get a cab and go straight to Pai.
Okay. Keep walking.
Keep walking.